In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your world in Once Human. So first off, you need to walk up to one of these terminals. So this one is over here where I'm at right now at Mayor's Market, but this will work at any of these. So we can go to Mayor's Market, you can go up here to Dadsville, or any of the other ones on your map. You can also walk to these teleportation towers, and this will work just as well, okay? It will work in every single point as long as you have it unlocked. So once you come up to this, you want to click G to switch to another world. In here, you want to select another world. So I'm in world 9 right now. Let's say I want to move to 10. All you have to do is click on 10, hold down your F key to switch, and then this animation will play. And as you can see in the top right corner of my screen, I'm currently in world 10. Now if you want to go back to the world you were earlier, you can either open up your map and teleport to your territory. As you can see, I can't do it because it's on cooldown right now, or simply press G again and then switch back to your world, and that's it. Now as you can see, when you switch back to your normal world, you can see which one your world is, because as you can see, there's this little house emoji next to it, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how to change worlds in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.